the matter? Take a bath. Take a bath. Take a bath. Stay alarm mode. I'm filming her. Doesn't want to be on camera. Yeah, that's right. Now, what is the reason for that? What is the reason for that screaming? We're trying to get Kiwi to take a bath so we can make a movie of her doing that. Well, she looks so funny when she gets in her water. Yeah. Yeah. You be a good boy while we do it. And she won't yell. There she goes. She's going in her water now. Let's see. Let's see if we can get her go taking her bath. Okay. There she goes. Oh, no. Are you gonna sing a little song before you take your bath? Huh? Jealous. Jealous. Yeah, she's thinking about it. There she goes. Yeah, you love your bath, don't you? Yeah, that bath is fun, isn't it? Good girl, Kiwi, go in your bath. Yeah, go take a bath. Oh, stop it now. She's probably thinking, how would you like it if someone was filming you in your shower? Yeah. Pretty baby. Such a pretty song. There's Jackson. Sleeping in the chair. Couldn't care less about the bird's activity. Oh, there she goes in her water. There she goes. Go all the way in the bowl. Pretty Kiwi. Pretty, pretty. Pretty, pretty baby. Yes. Beautiful Indian ringneck. Good girl. Take your bath. Kiwi taking a bath, pretty girl. Pretty Kiwi. Yes, pretty, pretty. Oh, pretty, pretty. It's her favorite thing. If she could go underwater with her head covered, I think she would. Yes, pretty Kiwi. Good girl. Take your bath. Pretty baby. Some beautiful turquoise feathers. Yeah, I wish you were a little nicer. She's a little retarded. She was injured as a baby and she's only got one eye. She's very, very paranoid. But we'll take care of her, make sure she's safe. She'll probably never be hand tame. She sings so pretty. We all need love, don't we? Yes. Pretty Kiwi. Pretty, pretty. Yep. She looks so funny when she gets wet, all wet. Good girl, Kiwi. Look at you. You've been playing in the water. Yeah, swimming. Pretty baby. Good girl, Kiwi. Good girl, Kiwi. Gonna go dry out now? Yep. She's probably had enough. She's got a rubber face on the edge of the cage now. Pretty Kiwi. Yes, good girl, taking your bath. Gonna go one more time? Okay. Pretty girl. Now you look like a drowned rat. Pretty, pretty. Yeah. Time to dry out those wings now, huh? Yeah. She looks funny when she does that. Okay. Bye-bye. Here she goes. Good girl. Yeah. You like that? Like that, Frosty? Oh my goodness. I brought Frosty outside. It's the alarm call. Okay.